Hello, my name is Karakat, and the first part of this final project is infrastructure setup. I set up all these files with Ansible, and as you can see, we can just write commands Ansible playbook. So I write files this infrastructure in playbooks directory and alert manager, Grafana, and as you can see, there after this playbook command in Docker it runs these images, and the images I uploaded to the model YAML files, and let's check by one by. So here we're checking Grafana YAML file, and after that we are checking SonarQube YAML file, and it must run now in Docker. Okay, now we can see SonarQube, and next one is so we run a SonarQube, and other files we must next run. Next we are running Nginx, and Nginx also successfully run it, and we can check it by nginx -t command, and yes, it's okay and it successfully run it. Last one is alert manager, so playbook alert manager YAML, and we can see here our running alert manager YAML file image. And here next part is our CI/CD. Here you can see configuration of CI/CD stages. So here we have 4 stages, and let's add and commit them to the GitLab to see that jobs are working. Let's wait, and we can here. So first stage build, and then lead, and then test, and then static analysis. Let's reload it, and let's wait a little bit. So here we must. So yeah, here it works. So all stages are built. Next stage is deploying to Kubernetes. Here firstly I wrote all configuration files YAMLs, as you can see, for Postgres, for Redis, and app config map were my environment variables. And let's check for now our kubectl get pods for be sure that all our pods are running. But here one mistake, our project is crashing, so let's delete pods and then run it again. So it runs, and here we can run our service. So it works, but let's check endpoints. We have health check endpoint in our project. I wrote it with error, so let's just copy it and paste it. Yeah, and yeah, it works. Let's check one more endpoint. It's API v1 metrics, and yeah, it also works. So with Kubernetes part, it all works. Okay. And next part is Nginx part. So let's configure first. So we must pass our nodes port here, and then next part is monitoring with Grafana. Here we choose our data source, and then we are importing by this ID all the prepared monitoring data. So it works, and now let's create our queries, our dashboard, to check metrics, to check graphs. I here put not a lot of data here in Swagger, so I think there are only 1 or 2 photo resizing calls. So here we created first our query and it generated dashboard, and next create other queries also. And now let's configure alerting management. Here we choose our query and save this. Okay, first of all, let's give name for this alert rule, and okay, let's just call it. And also let's create new folder for this alert rule. Let's call it dashboard, and new group, also let's call dashboard. And we must send notifications to Telegram group, so that's why we are creating new context point. Let's call it just TG, and let's choose here Telegram instead of mail. And I put just prepared tokens, and let's choose Tigi here, and let's create it. So here we can see that dashboard is ready, and I create them this resize image alerts I created before this, my prepared alert rule. So, and in Telegram here we can check notification that we got. Okay, let's find it. Its name is assignment 6 because I just put this token from assignment 6. So that's all. Thank you for attention.